Hello dear viewers, welcome to the How to PC channel. In this video we will talk about pricing, about this site, how to use it, how to create an account and other things. By the way, I'll leave you a link in the description. You can use it to get a discount if you would like to buy their unlimited plan. So let's get started. First of all, I would like to tell you about what phrasly.ai is. So phrasly.ai is a very helpful AI tool for people who works with text. By using this AI, you can transform AI generated content into 100 human text with Phrasly. Save time on your writing, boost efficiency and bypass AI detectors. So the tool is very helpful. And by the way, this website has two plans, free and unlimited. So if you pay monthly, you need to pay $20 per month for unlimited plan. If you select annual, you need to pay only $13 per month. Now let's read about the free plan's benefits. You will get 550 AI humanization words, free content generation credits, limited usage of AI tools, upgrade early anytime during trial, and basic AI detection bypass. If you will buy unlimited plan, you will get unlimited AI humanizations, 15 AI writer generations per month, 2,500 words per process, advanced AI detection bypass, watermark and future proof, and better access to new AI tools. Just below you can find frequently asked questions. You can read answers for these questions if you would like to do it. And of course, now let's try to create our account. To do it, just open the link, which I will leave in the description and in the comments, and then click on login at the top right. Okay, you'll see this window. Now at the very top of this window you can find the don't have an account link. You need to click on it and then you'll be able to create your own account. To do it, enter your email, create your password, and of course confirm it. Now you need to check this checkbox and verify you're human, and then you'll be able to click on create account. Let's do it. Okay, successfully registered. Please check your email for the verification code. Now go to your email address, open the message from Phrasly, and then enter this code right here. Submit verification. You can just close this window, and this is how the dashboard looks like. Welcome back to Phrasly. So at the very top you can see your statistic. So now I have 0 documents, 0 hours saved, and current plan is free. And of course AI words limit 0 per 300. The design is really beautiful and simple. On the left side you can find all their AI tools: AI humanizer, AI detector, and content generator. First of all, let's talk about content generator. Let's create a text, and then we will try to make this text unique by using the first tool, AI humanizer. To generate your text, you need to type your prompt in this field, select writing purpose, for example letter, select a language, for example English in our case, word count, let's select 400, and now let's type here prompt. Select order topics for up to 2 body paragraphs. For example, let's select the first one and the third and click on confirm topics. And here is the text. So just let's copy it, add it to AI humanizer, and now let's try to humanize this text. And here is our unique text. Okay, and the last step, now go to AI detector. Here it is. And firstly, let's try to check my first variation of my text. Just paste it and check for AI. Okay, your text is likely to be written by AI, 100%. And now let's try to copy this text and paste it to this field and click on check for AI again. And here is the result. Your text is likely to be written by a human. It's really interesting. So I advise you to try to use this website. Maybe this website can be helpful for you. And of course you can detect AI in other people's texts. It was a pretty short tutorial. I hope my video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to the How to PC channel and like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.